So this is exactly how I was able to fix Rust servers not showing up in menu. So what I had to do firstly is to actually close my Rust game, and instead I had to click on search right here on my laptop, or you can do the same on your PC obviously, and then just search for allow an app through Windows Firewall. So just click here. And then in here, what you need to do is to just click on the R button on your keyboard here. I'm just gonna make sure that you can see exactly what I'm seeing as well. So I'm just gonna focus more. So you can see here, I'm just gonna actually write R and U. So I'm going to be taken straight to Rust here. So make sure that Rust is available here for private and also public, and the same for Rust staging branch here. Make sure that both of them are set to private and public, so it tick them on here if they're not. And then just click on OK here. And then what you need to do after that is to just go back into Steam here. So go into Steam and then click on Library and then right click on Rust here and then click on Properties. So I'm just going to click on Properties here and then Install Files. You need to make sure to click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. And then the last thing, make sure that you're of course also connected to a Wi-Fi or like an internet here. So if you're not, it's not gonna work of course for you. So I'm just gonna connect to mine here real quick here, click on connect, and then you can see it's connected now. So do all of this and then go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's gonna work for you as well.